Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's the perfect cake for Valentine's. If you guys want to see how I made this adorable loaf cake with the little heart in the middle, well, this video is for you, so keep on watching. So basically how I made this cake, which looks so complicated to do, really isn't. And actually what's fun about it is that you can actually make it with your kids. You need 3 things to do this. You need a loaf cake pan, you need a cookie cutter, and you need a cake recipe, and an oven, and a mixer, but you get it. So basically for the recipe, I use my lemon loaf recipe that you can go ahead and look on my TikTok or my Instagram reels. All the details are there and the step-by-step. And by the way, I have a lot of recipes on my TikTok, so if you're interested of looking into that, yes, I do have it on my blog, but I kind of switched it a little bit and made it more fun and more interactive, and most of my recipes now I'll be putting it on TikTok. So for the cake itself, super easy to do. Start off with the one that is colored. So I use gel food coloring, and I use red non-taste by Wilton. Make sure that it's non-taste because Wilton does have red, but it has like a bitter taste. Or if also what works really fine too, which I like, would be red food powder coloring. So that works perfect. Also, it has tendency of dyeing better your batter. So I use gel, and so I just mixed it up, baked it, and then once it was baked, I just went ahead and cut it into small pieces, and then using my cookie cutter, I just cut out my pieces and let it on my cookie rack. Cleaned, washed my pan, and then restart the whole entire thing. I baked all my batter, and then what I did is that I placed a little bit of batter at the bottom of my pan, and then I placed my heart shapes on the inside, making sure that they're all stacked together, and then poured all the rest of the batter on top so it would cover the actual shape heart. Baked it like I would normally bake my cake or my loaf in this case, and then that is it. And then I finished the look with icing, which is super cute. So I drizzle a little bit of icing, and then I use my favorite sprinkles by Sweet Apolita. They have a great collection for Valentine's. Here's another one. By the way, if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and use my code. I have a code for you guys, so it's Liliana Springs for 15% off the entire website. So yeah, they have really cute, adorable sprinkles for Valentine's, so you can go ahead and check that out. So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Also, don't forget to go see my other pages, which is TikTok, and also my Instagram, which is the same name, Sugarella Sweets. And that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.